what should be the right way to sit in meditation. The right way to sit in meditation is having two conditions. The one first condition, and the most important condition is whatever posture you are sitting must be comfortable. In Yoga Darshan, Maharshi Patanjali says, Sthir Sukham Asanam. That means the asan means comfortable posture. So the first condition is it should be comfortable. And the second condition is your spine should be erect. It should be straight. Now, some of you may be facing a difficulty that when you try to keep your spine straight, you feel uncomfortable. If that is the situation, then what should we choose between two? The comfortable posture or the erect spine? We should choose the comfortable posture. Because if you are not in a comfortable posture, you will not be able to concentrate in meditation, and continuously your focus will go towards the uncomfort you are feeling in your back. So always try to be in a comfortable position, and to keep the back straight, you can take help of backrest. You can be sitting in a chair with a backrest, but try to keep that chair with a straight backrest, not a slant one, but the straight one. So, or maybe you can be sitting with the backrest towards a wall or something. And to make it little more comfortable, you can take a cushion and you can be sitting on that cushion. Your hips are on the cushion and the legs are on the floor. So the back will be little up, and it will give you more comfort when you are sitting in Sukhasana or any other asana with which we can do it on the ground, and take a backrest on the wall. So this is most important. Two things: comfortable posture, most important, comfort, and second is straight back, erect spine. So that is what I wanted to share today. Thank you so much. This is Dinesh Sharma.